Hello everyone, a very good evening to one and all. Welcome to the program Introduction to Blender 3D Software, which is day 5. And many members was personally messaging me in WhatsApp, Gmail, everywhere that how to send the task. I clearly explained that you need to send the task at last day, which is day 10. I'll share the link in that day. Until then, no need to worry about submission of the task. You need to do the task and just organize in your drive. Yesterday I already explained how to organize each and every task in your drive. So just organize like day 1, day 2, task 1, task 2, task 3, like that. Today will be like task 3. You should organize everything, and at the end of the day you need to upload, and we'll check all your drive links. That's it. I hope it was very clear, and don't message me in personally in WhatsApp or anywhere. Okay. So okay, Santosh, you can start the session. Any doubts, just keep in chat. Please don't call us. Okay. Okay, Santosh, just start.
So guys, I'm opening my software. Okay. So from yesterday, did anyone practice the 3D model to submit the task or something of your curiosity? So okay then, did any of them got any doubt? Okay. Okay, good if you are trying for that. Okay. So not us. So yes, the thing yesterday I didn't tell you about the colors is means material output or etc. Means a bug has been found on my laptop. That is material shaders, textures etc. are not working on my laptop. So that is the reason I have. So not yeah. Okay, that are not working on my laptop. So it's not possible for you to show. So I tried to make that rectify. So I have made that visible in my Blender community. So we have a Blender community. So the developers, all the Blender software developers are there in that Blender community. So I have posted in that group. So um, they have said that it's a strange. So they didn't notice it up till now. So they have said like that. So I'm not getting what to do. So I have uninstalled the 2.92 version and gone for 2.83 version. And in the 2.83 version 2, the same has occurred for me. So I'm not getting what to do for now. So I am trying to rectify as much as possible for me. Means up to which extent I can do, I will do. So if not possible, I will show my previous what we say previous works. Is it possible to combine phases? Yeah, it's possible. So I will try to show my previous work so that you might be familiar with that. But okay, as we have ruined up to 5 days, so up till today we have 5 days finish of our course. Still only 5 days left, so that we can cover much more. So I wanted to cover many things in this software, but the thing is, I am so in my laptop there is a bug. So this bug is making me somewhat what we say terrifying. So how to make this rectified, etc. Okay. So okay, I will start sharing my screen. So today I will try to tell you about the sculpting and some modifiers, etc. Simulations. Okay, it's up to your laptop. So how much your laptop supports, you can make the simulations that much accurate, etc. That's up to you. So the doubt I am getting is if this is possible. So what we say. So the materials are only getting bugs. So the simulation requires much more effective simulation. So that's why I am also thinking about that too. So there is a much to learn, much to tell, and much to explore. So the thing is, this is the thing which I noticed yesterday while I am teaching you only. Okay. So I will start sharing my screen. Okay, guys. So I will start. Okay. We'll start the session. So first I will in that product. So somebody is asking about, okay, like how to join vertices and edges and faces. Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry about that. So combined faces, yeah, it might be possible. So means deleting one face and joining another face, it might be possible. So I am extruding beneath but not getting as final outcome. So beneath, what do you mean by extruding beneath means? So okay, you are making that going down. So intruding thing, but not getting. Okay, YouTube Live. I don't know YouTube Live. So let's explain it. So you are not get. So you need to see it in another direction so that you might be able to see it. Okay, it's coming, bro. What coming? Okay. So okay. So let me share my screen here. Only 144 members joined. Okay, day by day the strength also decreasing. Yeah. Okay. So this is the Blender community chart. Okay. Once let me share it. So here I have kept my what we say. Okay. My query I have kept. So okay, this is my query. So here you are able to see now. This is the bug. This is the bug, and have goes to the object. Strange. So okay, this is the thing. So I will tell if it's working on your PC, so then we can make it through TeamViewer or etc. If it won't work again for me on my PC, okay. So 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 I will tell you how to install the add-ons, right? So here you are able to see. Okay. I have got all my add-ons here. Okay. There is nothing more problem with my PC. So I will on the screencast keys. So just wait for a minute until and unless it gets done. Okay. Okay, it's done, guys. So you are able to see my screen, right? Okay. So someone has asked about how to join the or join the faces, etc. Okay. Unable to mirroring a single object at a time. So it might be possible. It will be possible. So once try again and again. So you might be so somewhat at the beginning stage you might be doing some means some mistakes. So you might not be noticing that. So once try. It's my suggestion. So if not, you can again clarify it tomorrow. So but you need to try in different ways. Okay. So going to tab 8 mode. Okay. So what's the doubt? Uh, control R, control R. Okay. Uh, creative. Yeah. So now somebody asked how to join the word. So I will tell a thing. Yeah. If you select A, both. Okay. If I select this both, so right click. So, so the first day task I have given you is that use all the tools on this, na. So you need to make this. So okay. So here these both are joined. Okay, you are able to observe, na. So if I press this both, so present merge vertices at center. If I press center, okay, it will be merged like this. If I press what we say merge at cursor. So if I press it the cursor means this one. Okay, it will go to the center of cursor. So wherever you keep the cursor, if I press collapse, nothing will happen. So for this kind of things, collapse nothing makes. So if you make by distance, so for some cases only this works. Okay, so I am showing you uh, every what we say every possible conditions. So you will learn from that. Okay. So another thing is someone has asked how to and edges na. Okay, first let me extrude this. Okay, and let me give another one. Project CX project EX. Okay, by now selecting these two edges, press. Okay, okay. We don't need to extrude bevel edges. Extrude. If you extrude, it will be like this. Okay. Loop. Where? Uh, so here I am getting the screen share notification. So I am unable to see that. Where is that one? Mm, So zero. So you are able to see the what I have done, right? So if you have the video, you go and check once again. So what I have done is I have pressed S. Okay, scale. Okay, scale and press the zero. So it got at the center of this two. Okay. So I think you might not be getting. So again, let me show you once again for this. Okay. So E Y. Okay. So E yes. So merge. Where is the merge? I am not able to see where is the merge. Merge. So store bridge edge loops. Okay. So for edges we have to what we say we have to uh, use the tool merge edges so that we will be getting like this. Okay. So if I am going to and other thing is how to merge faces or join faces. So joining faces will not be there won't be anything like joining faces. So if you want to join a face, so select okay, go to face mode. So select this and this. So there may be uh, n number of ways to combine faces. So generally by deleting two faces, if you want to join two polygons, so delete the two faces of the polygons you wanted to join at the joint where you want to join those both polygons. So and then press the uh, join both the polygons or join both the edges. So those both will be joined. Okay. So unwrapping, those all are not up till now for us. Okay, there is much more thing for us to do in Blender. So, but the thing is, we have stuck up till the basics only. So still only 5 days are left. So, but there are n number of things to discuss. And the other thing is, we are facing with this bug in the Blender. So if anybody is facing with this same issue, let me know. Okay. So just try for that one. Bridge the faces. If you press bridge the faces, both the faces will be combined. Okay. Okay. So so here the both are inserted and came here. Okay. So it depends on the geometry you use here. So because if you are using a different kind of polygon, so this is the basic polygon with irregularity. So it will act like this only. So if you don't want like this, it's up to you. So I am pressing the, so I am selecting this four. So I am telling how to fill this one. Okay, so if you press this one, this one, and press F, so it will fill this. Okay, so I think you are done with this dots. Okay, uh, so it's okay. I think, right. Unable to mirror both objects and someone voice plus how to snap objects. So that's one I have told you. So try to make a cupboard, but I don't know how to join the topics. So you only make the cupboard here. So that is the task which I've given you. Make a 3D model of your choice. That's the task I have given. Okay. Please tell me which option you are using. Selecting the options, it's difficult to understand. So that's why I have kept the screencast keys, so that you can see what keys I am using on my keyboard at the side. Okay. View in Blender, we can view full screen view. I am using only for I'm using full screen now. So I'm using only full screen. When I'm exporting file, it's showing error but not exporting. Okay. So yesterday we have exported the file now. So let me show you that one. So this is the exported file yesterday. We have what we have done. Okay. Let me show you. So it's opening in 3D viewer as it's OBJ. I think FBX format we have exported that. Okay. Let us see. So but the time is running up. Okay. So I think we need to discuss today. So let it open until and unless it open, we can't do anything. So for high poly 3D model, you need to go for a new file. So press Control N, sculpting here. You can go for sculpting, or else you have to select a UV sphere and make it higher under poly or something. So I think it's not nice if we do like that. Okay. So let's see. Let it open first. So okay, this is the 3D model yesterday we have done. Na? So I have exported it in FBF. So you see here, it's a BX format. Okay. So this is the 3D model. So lighting, shading, etc. It's okay. That's okay. So okay, I think we need to delete this one. Okay. Okay, it's gone for now. So let me check once whether it's working or not. I think it's not working. So let us see in the shading mode. Or let us take a 3D cube first. Okay. Atmosphere. So see, it's like a figure outline. So if you are getting any solution for this kind of problem, let me tell so that we can cover many topics, texturing nodes, etc. If this is not clearing for me, this bug, so I think we can't continue for the texturing session, because we need to know the properties of the objects we are assigning. Na? So the okay, in shading, if you go see, so if I press, so see, it's coming like this. Okay, it's like a transparent. So from morning onwards, our me and another 3D, so he designs some basic 3D models, not that much deep. So we both started working on this up till so evening 3 o'clock. So we didn't find any solution. So we posted it in Blender community, but Blender community from there is no solution from them. So I am not getting what to do. So I will tell the what we say. Okay, this is the texture paint. Okay, it's not for now. So see, I hope texture paint might work for thing. So we need to go for shift A. Shift A. So I will tell image texture. So just see for a while. So go for texture paint. Right. So I am texturing a white color on this. So you are able to see this white color, right? So if I go for the color, another color, if I texture this color, so you are able to see this color, right? If I go for blue color. So the doubt for yesterday, some people is how to make colors, right? So this is how you make the colors for basic colors, so not realistic colors. So for realistic colors, there is another technique. Okay, this is not full technique, just for some colors, uh, some basic in making this realistic 3D car models. Okay, car models, this will work. Car, bike, accessories, etc. Okay, this will work, but not for so it's looking like this. So if you go for shading mode, so it's looking like this. See, you are able to see now. So we are not getting the output. So if I will try to render this one, so this is the render mode. You are not even getting anything. Okay, so I press shift here. So okay, why for going that one? So if I press here preview, so it's black like this. Okay, it's getting blank here, preview. Okay, so it's two getting blank. It's two getting blank. So there is nothing which is working here. So I'm getting irritated for that one. So if I go for render image, so if you want to render any just an image, so this is the camera view. So this is the camera view. Okay, guys. So if I want to render this part of the image only, so go for render image F12. So see, it's getting like this, a bug. This is called a bug. So it's getting an so if you are good with everything, so if your laptop is not getting this kind of uh, problem, so you will be getting the colors, shading, etc. When you set correct lighting, etc. Okay, so let me tell you. Uh, so I am opening a new file, sculpting, or do we need? So let me cancel. Okay, okay. Let me ask you some questions. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Selecting is not coming. What? So it will come. Try again. Make a dusk when mirroring a chair. The dusk is also mirroring. Yeah. To completing the chair, apply modifier then itself and start apply the modifier. So okay. Okay. Not how, how to use composting. Composting is high level. Yeah. So first you need to learn the basics. Render properties, select high normals, try this to solve bug. Okay, 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 thanks, I will try once. Render properties. Okay, render properties, render properties, and render properties, select high quality normals. Render properties, quality normals. Okay, where are the high quality normals? I am unable to see. In this area, I am unable to see here. Can you tell me or ping me here? Ping me. We can solve this by tomorrow. Okay, Mister. What is your name? Sudarshan. Okay, you can ping me personally. I am available on the groups. Okay, so we can solve by tomorrow. If tomorrow we can solve, I will tell much more content. Okay, so, high quality normals. Export the plant is error in the runner and it's not exporting the file when I check the document. So yeah, I have uninstalled and reinstalled it for 5 times today. Okay, performance. Okay, performance. Okay, I put it on this. Okay. Yeah, yeah, it had worked here. Thanks, Sudarshan. You have helped this whole session. Let me do that. Oh, I think again there is something. Yeah, guy. Yeah, yeah, Sudarshan. Thanks, thanks. This has worked. So all of you thank Mr. Sudarshan. Because of him only today this class. So the bug has fixed it. So that in the Blender chat here you can see now this Blender community. They have told that this is a bug for me. So I am not aware of that much. So so I don't know how did you came to know about this one, but it's nice. So, Kadiyam Mahesh Babu, you very uncomfortable English. Oh, I am not born in California or London. Yeah. So I'm trying. So, okay. Myself, Rangan, I wanted to know few details with this software. So, what do you want to know about this software, sir? So, so this is a general software. You can make 3D simulations. If you want to make an experiment or show some presentation of a 3D model video, like operation, how to make an operation, etc. You can make the 3D models or get the 3D models. You can make animation and show the output video. Okay, sir, I designed a bench, but it's not looking. But it is not look realistic. Okay, do you want this look like realistic? Okay, I will tell you how to make this look realistic. So can the software will be used to make some 3D models for the research based 3D? Yeah, you can make, yeah. So if you want in your research purpose, you can ping me. I am available on the groups. So okay, uh, it's up to you, sir. So research base, I will support. So I am too for many research like IIT, no IISc Bangalore and IIT Bhubaneswar or some. So okay, not that much, but I am with some research, okay, research scholars. Yeah. So rest I have not received your respective. Okay, respective email ID. Okay, sir. So so, so okay. So this is my mail ID, sir. Okay, it's up to. So we can start this session as soon as possible. Yeah. Okay. Uh, let's make a 3D model at this layout only. So generally we have two types of modeling. Okay, general and sculpting. So in the general, if you want to make a specific what of your choice, what we say, specific choice 3D model to be sculpted, you can make this from the layout. If you want to make a fresh 3D character or etc., you can go to the file. Plus a new file, so you can go for sculpting. So I think you have seen that round ball like structures, so you can drag that, so it's like a mud. You have to what we say, you have to make it into a shape. That's the beauty of the blender. No other softwares have this much flexibility with the thing. Okay, and ZBrush and blender compete with each other, but ZBrush has a high poly, so it's too available on this screen, right? So you may be able to see. So ZBrush, so but it costs so much. Yeah, it's too much costly. Okay, so if you are a professional, you might be getting that much amount if you make that. Okay, so quickly going to our so what do you want to model me here? So any so what kind of 3D model you want to make? You wanted to see from me. Donut, donut. I think you are gone with the Blender Guru here. So that's he only made nearly 20 to 30 videos. Okay, it's not possible in a single video. Okay, I will show anything, just a basic human structure. So okay, I will. So there are a number of ways you can make. So I will show you 2 to 3 ways. So okay, just I am going for metaball. So this is the capsule, right? So I am going for tab. So I am pressing shift D. So just to give me a moment, I haven't I haven't kept the screencast, right? So screencast is not coming. Screencast is not coming here. I think it's important for you to get screencast, else you will face a problem. Oh, okay. Its screencast is not working here. We are facing a single, every single. Yeah. So okay. Shift A. Going for metaball. I will complete this as soon as possible here for today. Okay. Going for numpad 1. Okay. I'm towards the y-axis. So pressing shift D. So 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 I think I will make for a single side only. Okay. Because so this is looking like this, na? You are able to see, na, guys? Uh, so okay. Is not email ID was not received. So this is the correct mail ID, sir. So you can ping me in the WhatsApp group, sir, if you want. Okay. So or else you can direct message or something. Okay. So we have you kept your mail ID. Okay. From my you have mentioned email ID. Yeah. So okay, it's up to here. You are able to see now, guys. So if I am going here, so object quick effects. No, convert mesh. So it's now like this, right? So if I press the modifier, what we say, so uh, so before going to the what we say uh, equi divisions, let us sculpt this one. Okay. So okay, this is the sculpting interface. You can make as you want, etc. Okay. So first I wanted to make some C options. So this is the radius. So this is the radius. If you increase this one, the size of the brush will also increase. See, you are able to see now. This radius is also increasing by default. 50 and 0.25 are present in this software. Okay. So see, C's option. So radius is I am decreasing the radius, increasing the strength. Okay. So you press it like this. So if I increase the radius, sorry, strength. So it's not getting. So it's getting like this. Can you guess what's the reason for this? So reply in the chat box. Can you guess what's the reason for this? Uh, Circles not understood. So this is the click and select. Yeah, that's. So can you guess why it's not responding correctly? Sculpt. So okay, I will only tell. So go to the tab. Press subdivide. Okay, just for subdivision. So for high poly only, it will the more polygon you will make, that much that much good the output result will be. Okay. So see here. So it's now nice. Okay. So I want to make some muzzles. Okay. I will decrease the radius. So I'll decrease the radius and make it smooth. This is the smooth. Okay. If you want to make it smooth, you can make it from smooth tool. Okay. So or else you wanted the whole 3D model to be looking smooth, you can right click here, shade smooth. Okay, it's somewhat smooth. Okay, shades. Or you can go here, go for a subdivision surface. So, but it's hanging. Okay, that's the reason for that is if you so how much you make the subdivision, that much big the. So here you can see. So the memory is increasing. That means the size also increasing for that. But so here you are having an option symmetry, right? Go for symmetry. So I think we need to delete this one here. So it's hanging like anything. Okay, you are able to observe now. It's hanging like anything. So the reason for this is uh, we are so my according to my PC configurations, if I make that much big, the even if I go on continuing to make that much high polygon. So okay, uh, high polygon means okay. Let me show you. So here you are able to see, right? This is a polygon. We have discussed in the day 2 or day 3, right? So this is the polygon. I think yesterday also we have discussed about. So this is the polygon. So here you are able to see this much big, this much number of polygons are there. So according to this configuration, if you are having high polygons, you need to have much RAM, like 32, 64 GB of RAM. So I am having only 8 GB of RAM. That's why it's hanging like anything. I think so. Somebody also asking how to make this again. So let me show you. So or else I will try with this one. I will go for this one. So let us see whether it support or not. So it's not supporting here. So it's not supporting. It's slowness you are able to see now. So I am deleting this one and again making. So now I will show how to make from a cube. Okay. So this is the UV sphere. So you are able to see this, right? So if I press the what we say, the segments, so 33, so 16. So you are able to see this, right? This is the radius not needed for us. So you are able to see, right? Just a minute, guys. I got a call. Just a So sorry guys for the break. Okay, you can go for like this and press Shift D G Z. Yeah. So selecting all these, if you go for Boolean, so let me check whether it's here enabled or not. Boolean, okay, it's okay, it's there. So go for modify, add Boolean difference union. Okay, go for this collection. Let us make this as a new collection. Go for a new collection body. Okay, collection. So I am showing you the possible ways how you can use the bool tool. Okay. So let's see. So let you should observe what I am doing. So I can just show you how to like. So I am using only fast, not exact, because exact take much time. Okay, and a sec. So I have showed you both cases. Okay, cannot executing exact solver. So it's hanging because it's too getting that much. So it's hanging like anything. Okay, my system is hanging here. You are able to see now here. So it's hanging. So now this is a single object. So go for shades. Okay. So I think it will hang much more. Yeah. So I want all the objects to be single. So I have selected the union fast. So I have selected the fast. Okay. Okay. Uh, I don't know whether why this got deselected. So if I selected this both and press Control J, so this got merged with. So Control J is for joining the objects. Okay. So if we go for a tab, it so so it's not working here for here. So I don't think this work for this 3D mode because it's we use the bool to another, so it's not working. So let's go for another model. So I will only tell today's sculpting only. Tomorrow we can get other. So I will show it in 2 to 3 minutes. All the tools. Okay. So this is a high poly one. Okay. So here in the sculpting mode you are having only sculpting and shading. Okay. So this is the draw tool. Okay. If you press like this, so you will be getting like this. Okay. If you draw like this, okay, you're getting something extrusion or something extra. Okay. You use this draw sharp, so you will be seizing. So seizing and draw sharp, the difference between these two is, so draw sharp is the inversion of drawing, but whereas seizing is somewhat grabbing out the one. Okay. So grab here for extruding. Okay, like this. So a basic human model, the general. So I have told you how radius, etc. Right. So if I press X, so it will mirror like anything. So if I press like this, so it's mirroring like this. Okay. If I press one, we have one here, right? So if I press like this, so on. If you want it as exact, you should use it. So this is the snake tool. Okay. Okay. If you want this like this, guys, it's So if you elongate it in a single, what I want to say is you will get like this kind of curves. Okay, so you shouldn't get it because overlapping of the polygons will happen. Okay, so it's like tummy. Okay, you can make this bulge by using the this tool. Okay, so okay, it's getting inflated. So if I decrease the radius, if I increase only here, so and I if I go for a drawing tool, decrease the radius to 40. So you can use the smooth. So if you want this kind to be gone, you can use the smooth tool. Okay, so if you use the smooth tool, all the irregularities will be gone. Okay, so this is the elastic. This is similar to grab tool. Okay, so it's not that much important. So the basic tools in the sculpting mode you need is one is a drawing tool, another is smooth tool, one is grab, snake. So this is the new cloth. Okay, for a cloth simulations, if you go for this cloth tool, so sorry, for this kind for this model you are not getting. For a simple plane you can get something a cube like that, you can get a cloth nicely. So another is masking. So this is the so sorry, mask, box mask. So if you want, so the masking is used when you want it. Okay, so if I draw, so if I wanted to draw something here, so at the mask tool you can't make anything, so it got deformated, right? So this is the clay tool. Okay, if you want something like this, so so is the back side. So this is the back side. Okay, so okay, so here you are able to see some kind of back, etc., right? So the you wanted the hands to be proper. Okay, we can make it, but I think the time is up for today. But okay, I will show you. So I don't want to show the face, how to make that face, but okay, it's enough for here only. Here it's enough, I think. So if you go for a smooth, okay, so it's looking somewhat like chest. Okay, so okay, if it's not looking nice for you, you can go. So it's like looking nice, right? So guys, any so how to save dot blend file or obj file? So if you press Ctrl S at the desired location, you will save the file automatically. Yeah. Any doubts you want to ask for today? I think we can discuss much more tomorrow. It's better for tomorrow. How to snapping option? I will use that snap. So snapping, you can go for edges, vertices, etc. In the edit mode, you have to go for snap. Okay, if you press right click or if you go for yes and press 0, it will snap. Okay, okay. Any other? So try once. So any other doubts? Control button use it for snap. Okay. So I think we can end this session for today. Sculpt, you can't do merging. You can just only model the 3D object in the sculpt mode. So I think that's enough for today, right? So tomorrow we can discuss. So we are fed up with this. What we say this bug. So okay, tomorrow we can continue. So once show the diagram. So you want the 3D model. Uh, so only I have only sculpted up till the chest and the back side. Okay, not fully. I don't want it to be done fully, right? Today I don't want it fully done. So if you want in much clarity, so we can discuss about this tomorrow. I think better. It's better if we go for tomorrow. So today our time as our time is up. So it's looking somewhat. I am not going for face only. So okay.
Today
So
task, Santosh.
okay, madam. Just use the sculpt tool. So take a spear and use the sculpt tool features. Okay, and make a any kind of a 3D model or base mesh from this. Use the sculpt tools. Learn all the sculpt tools. Use all the tools available, and just upload the screenshots. It's enough for. So because sculpt tool will make a high. What the file of the size will be high. So only just upload the screenshots. Use all the sculpt tools and make a single screenshot. Okay, okay, madam. It's up. It's all, madam.
Okay, Santosh, I'll end the session, okay?
Okay, madam.
Guys, any doubts you can ask in chat box. Maximum he replied. Okay, okay, thank you. We'll end the session. Don't forget to give the feedback of day 5.